Alright, so we have this KWC gun. Opening it for the first time. Over here we have the instruction booklets or instruction manuals, which you're just going to place aside just for now. As you can see, it's still in the packet. I'm going to unbox it for you. Take this packet out here. Obviously we have a few extra pellets, and inside the box we also have the pellets that come with it over here. There's about 100 or so in there. Inside here we have the Allen key and the automatic pellet placer. If you want to place multiple pellets in, you'll use this. And then the Allen key to remove the cartridge holder, which is found at the bottom. So we're going to do that in order to operate the gun. Alright, this is our gas cylinder. I'll just leave that there for now. Take out the cartridge. Over here we'll place a few pellets in here. I think it can hold about 16 or so of these pellets. Alright, now let's place your gas into the cartridge and then tighten it up with the Allen key again. Make sure it's straight, and we'll tighten it until we hear a little pop. It'll be the gas opening. Alright, just make sure that it's tight, not too tight. Make sure the safety switch is off while we load it, and then we're going to pop it back in there. Alright, now we're ready to fire away. And turn the safety switch off. And as you can see, it's firing perfectly. So now I'm going to turn the safety switch off, take the cartridge out, put the gun aside. Now, obviously when you have inserted the gas already, the gas that's in there needs to be used. So for now we're going to show you when we take it out. The gas is still kind of full, but we're going to take it out just so we can pack the gun away. And you're going to hear the gas open a little bit. Alright, take this out again. Take the gas out, place it aside. It's kind of cold because it's obviously still just been used. Take the bullets or pellets out. and then we can pack it away again. So we can place the cartridge back in the gun, place the little tightener over there, so that's in. And just to make sure this is different, I'm going to make like a little mark on the gun. A little red mark, so we know that one is used. Now we can successfully pack it away in the packets. Place this little holder back and the Allen key as well. Place this in here. And place the gun safely back in the packaging with the instruction manuals. And that's it, how to unbox and use your KWC CO2 Airgun.